If equipped, ParkSense Active Park Assist can take some of the hassle out of parallel or perpendicular parking. The system helps you find an appropriate parking spot for your vehicle, then guides you through the necessary parking maneuvers. Active Park Assist is a semi-automatic system, since the driver maintains control of the accelerator, gear selector, and brakes. To park your vehicle, look for an appropriate spot and approach it slowly while in drive. When you're ready for Active Park Assist, turn it on by pushing the switch above the Uconnect display. The switch LED will blink, then remain lit when the system is ready. The touchscreen will show a full-screen image. Select parallel or perpendicular. Then use the turn signal to select a driver or passenger side parking maneuver. The system will default to the passenger side if the turn signal is not activated. When the system recognizes the available parking spot, it will instruct you to move forward to position the vehicle for the maneuver. Active steering will begin, and a camera image and instructions will be displayed on the touchscreen until the maneuver is complete. Once in position, the system will instruct you to stop the vehicle's movement and remove your hands from the steering wheel. When the vehicle is still, you'll be prompted to place the gear selector into reverse. You may have to wait for steering to complete before moving backward. The system will prompt several more shifts between drive and reverse, and then prompt you to shift into park and check your vehicle's position. Finally, the Active ParkSense Complete message will be displayed on the touchscreen. To exit a parallel parking space, push the Active ParkSense switch, select Parallel Park Exit, and follow the on-screen instructions. The system will instruct you to shift into reverse and operate the turn signal in the direction you want to exit. Let go of the steering wheel and use the brake or accelerator pedals as instructed, while the system handles the steering automatically. Keep in mind, if the system detects any driver interaction with the steering wheel, the maneuver may be canceled. Also, if the vehicle detects an obstacle while in a gear other than drive, and Active Park Assist is turned on, the system will default to Parallel Park Exit. A prompt will appear on the touchscreen, and you'll need to select Yes or No. Any other conditions will default to a parallel parking maneuver. Remember, always check your entire surroundings when using this feature. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.